Namaskar. The hero is your inner child. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. The hero you see in the mirror is in your beautiful smile, in your beautiful eyes, in your beautiful face, in the passion inside you. The hero that connects you to the multiverse, to the world, is your inner child. We want to do different exercises together to find the lost of your existence. The inner child who is angry. Yeah, angry with you and does not want to show itself. The first person you have to forgive is yourself, right? You have to forgive and forget all the mistakes, problems you have made, the inconveniences you have created for yourself. That you were, that you were hard on yourself, and you are still hard on yourself. Still. That you have accepted the opinions and judgments of idiots around you, society, school, family, friends, colleagues. So many people, so many stupid people. You have accepted this nonsense that you have to do hard works to be spiritual. What? Spiritual means evolving. You have to evolve. You have to experience this beautiful Mother Earth, this beautiful life. You have to experience so many things. You have to live, laugh, have fun, show your true feelings. And instead of, I see so many people do that. Instead of going inside yourself, you followed the words and opinions of others and wasted a lot of time. Days, months, years of your life. Forgive yourself and practice in the mirror with all your heart. Practice. See? Wow. Hey dear, you have beautiful eyes, beautiful smile, beautiful face. Oh my God. I love you. Yes, I do. I'm in love with you. You have to apologize to yourself and tell yourself how proud you are of yourself. How proud you are of yourself. And you have to say, I would like to get to know you more. And I promise you that I will make time for our relationship. And I will give you understanding, kindness, patience, love, affection, attention, sympathy, and love, and love, and love, and love. When you speak, feel that your body as light and even make circular movements with your hands. It's so important in every direction. There are many practices we will do together because you know why? Because you have to find your true self, your inner child, and take care of it very, very, very much, forever. The experience of not seeing inner child is not for modern life. It has always been there. It has always been there. It has been since the existence of humans, because humans have feelings. So there have been countless challenges. You know, the inner child is so deep and important that it affects your whole life. If you don't find it, if you don't take care of it, your inner child, you will definitely be abused. When so many people, my friends, so many people, they tell me they have toxic relationships, toxic friendships. Why? Because they don't know their inner child. They don't know themselves, and they don't be honest with themselves. They don't show their true feelings. They have so many problems. But they don't want to solve their problems. I don't know why they're trying to be fake. I know since childhood they're trying to be fake, but enough is enough. You have to change or die. If you don't want to change, you get stuck in a lot of toxic relationships, emotional, psychological, sexual, physical abuses, and so on. Yeah? On and on and on. So, dear unique, write a comment for me. And always remember, there is only you. Okay? There is only one you. Just one. If you feel there is somebody who needs to listen to this video, please share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Yes. اشرف. Love you so much. Amira.